people. So this is Morsha, up in the Morsha Reggae Lounge, international crew. Guess where the crew you come from? ¿Dónde tú eres, mi amor?
Chile.
Chilena. ¿Y usted, amigo?
Chileno.
Chileno también, mira, chileno y nada, habla español, mira, ese lugar es por todo el mundo, no para solamente jamaiquino, Europa, pero todo. Chilena, amigo, tú, ustedes, dominicano. ¿Y a ti, mi amor?
Dominicana y vivo en Chile.
Mira, ella es dominicana, vivo en Chile, nosotros internacional, en Morsha Reggae Lounge. Mira, listen, dime, mi amor.
Mucho reggaetón, mucho reggae.
She said they listen to a lot of reggaeton. So I just want to take this video of them for you guys to know that we are international and reggae music is popular all over. Hay mucho reggae en Chile. Mucho jamaiquino también. Mucho jamaiquino. Entonces, Rastaman like me, yo lo fui para allá entonces, abrí una de como eso. Pero
yo voy a poner un local así allá.
tú vas a poner una de así. No, yo lo fui para allá contigo entonces. Nosotros poner juntos.
Ya, vamos.
Y tráelo todas las cosas de Jamaica de allá.
Todo ya.
Gente de canción, de reggae música también. Ok, tú tienes que darme tu número.
La hacemos.
Okay, I told her, she said she's gonna put a thing just like mine, a restaurant, just like mine in Chile because a lot of Rastas there. So I told her.
La Serena, dile, a La Serena nos vamos a ir.
She said,
No es La Serena, La Serena.
La Serena is La Pueblo.
Sí,
She said the city she's from is called La Serena. We have a supermarket by we have a supermarket by the name of La Serena here in the Dominican Republic, and they are from La Serena in Chile. So this is our people, folks. So look how far they come from to Morsha Reggae Lounge. We ain't playing up in the house. So she said, me and her gonna open a reggae lounge in Chile. What's your name? Tu nombre?
Pronto, Graciela.
She said, wrap it, I must come quick.
Ita.
She said, Graciela, tu nombre? Her name is Graciela. She said, I must come quick. All right, guys, so Morsha Reggae Lounge in the house with the people from Chile, with the engine 54 in the house. This is original reggae music from the foundation of Jamaica. We call it roots rock reggae. Why? Because there is no natural instrument in there. All of these instruments came from the ground, from the roots of Jamaica. We didn't have anything except maybe a horn, but everything you hear in this music playing is from the roots rock reggae music. Gracias, folks. Es un placer para conocerle, amigo mío. Dios te bendiga. Guys, Morsha Reggae Lounge out.